should've equals shoulda.
You should go to see the doctor, Sarah.
I just need a hot cup of tea.
It's been raining a lot these days, so many people are catching colds.
Last night, the wind was blowing too hard. My husband told me to bring an umbrella when I went out, but I didn't. Then it rained. I got completely soaked walking home last night.
Is that why you caught a cold today?
Yes, I should have taken an umbrella. And you? Have you invited Linda to the cinema yet?
Not yet. She went to her hometown.
When will she come back?
In 2 months.
Oh, maybe she'll meet a great guy in her hometown and never come back here again.
I should have invited her to go sooner.
Could've equals coulda.
Alex, you look so tired.
Yeah, I've been very busy lately. I often have to work overtime.
I see.
Yesterday, I had 4 meetings to attend. Then, I met an important client from my company. It's exhausting.
Poor Alex.
I could have slept standing up. I was so tired.
You should take a day off.
I'll take a day off when the project's finished.
Your boss is lucky to have a hard-working employee like you.
No, I feel lucky to have a good manager like him. How I wish I could have been a bit more useful to him.
You're doing well.
Thank you.
Would've equals woulda. We haven't seen each other for a while.
Yes, that's why I came to your house today.
So, what's new?
My husband's uncle and aunt came to visit us. I cooked steak for them.
Did they like it?
They're vegetarians.
Jesus, didn't your husband tell you about it?
He forgot to tell me. I would have made a salad if I had known they were vegetarians. Fortunately, they're easygoing. How have you been lately, Mary?
A few neighbors and I held a fair last week.
Really?
Yes, it was a tiring day. Nobody volunteered to help us with the fair.
I would have helped you. I didn't know you needed help. What was the purpose of the fair?
Proceeds from the fair were donated to needy students in the area.
That's great. Give me a call when there's a fair next time.
I will. What are you doing equals what you doing. What you doing?
I'm looking for outfits to wear for a company trip.
Where will your company trip be?
We'll go to Thailand.
That's great. Are you going to Bangkok?
No, we'll go to Phuket.
What is it?
Phuket is one of the southern provinces of Thailand. It consists of the island of Phuket, the country's largest island.
How many days do you travel?
4 days. What you doing?
Follow me. Go to my room. I have some clothes which will be suitable for you to travel.
Thank you.
What have you been doing equals what you been doing.
What you been doing?
Nothing much. I've been going to work, keeping up with my exercise, saving up money to go to Peru. The usual, you know.
When will you go to Peru?
I plan to go there next year. Are you, Daria? What you been doing?
Just like you, I've been going to work and saving up money for my own business.
What business are you planning?
I plan to open a flower shop.
That sounds great. I think it's right for you. I follow your posts on Instagram. The way you arrange flowers is so beautiful.
Thank you. I love flower arrangements. What do you think equals what you think?
We are going to the UK for university.
Yes. I can't believe we're going to the same university.
Yeah, that's amazing.
I thought I wouldn't be able to go to college.
But you did it. You did a great job.
Thanks.
We will rent an apartment and live together. What you think?
That's exactly what I want. Let's find some apartments.
Okay. This apartment is 500 meters from the university. There are 2 rooms. What you think?
What is the rental price?
$700 per month. The price will be cheaper if you are a student.
That's good. Yeah, no equals no.
Good morning. Hi, Dan. How are you doing? I'm good. How are you doing? So. So, I guess you're not going to the graduation dance. Yeah, no. But how do you know? Stacy told me you're not going to the graduation dance. Yeah, no. The funeral and everything is that day, so I can't. The funeral? My uncle. I didn't know. I'm sorry about that. And our party after graduation dance next week. Will you come? Yes, of course. I'll be there. Okay. Time flies so fast. We're about to graduate. Yeah, I'm looking forward to college time.
No, yeah equals yes.
Hey, Martin. What are you doing this weekend?
I'm not sure. Do you have any plans?
Saturday is Mary's birthday, and we are throwing her a party.
Where are you going to have it?
The party will be at my house.
On Saturday night?
Yes. Can't you come?
No, yeah, I'll definitely be there on Saturday night. Will everyone bring some food? It would be great if you could bring a side dish. The main dish will be provided. What should we wear?
This is a pool party. Make sure to bring your bathing suit.
That sounds like fun.
Yes. See you then.
Cup of tea equals cup of tea.
Would you like a cup of tea, John?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thanks, Rose. I'm going skiing this weekend. Do you want to join?
I'm not sure.
Please come with me. I bet you'll like it.
I'm afraid that skiing just is not my cup of tea. Ask Susan. She likes skiing.
Okay, let me know if you change your mind.
I will.
Hey, Susan.
I'm going skiing this weekend. Do you want to join?
Cool, I'm in. Skiing is my cup of tea.
Okay, 7 a.m. this Saturday.
Sure. Where?
I'll text you the address.
Okay, John. Lot of stuff equals lot of stuff.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi. I would like your assistance with a move.
What would you like us to move for you?
I need you to move my furniture.
Do you have a lot of stuff to move?
Yes, a lot of stuff. All my furniture.
Where will we be moving your furniture from?
I need it moved from my apartment.
Where would you like us to move the furniture to?
I need the furniture moved to my new house.
Yes, I'm gonna need some more information.
Thanks a lot. I'll give you all the information you need.
May I have your name, please?